A circular saw is a staple of any construction site, the go-to power tool for ripping sheets of plywood or slicing through heavy dimensional lumber. Experienced DIYers should think about investing in one of these power saws too, especially since the market has expanded to include smaller, battery-powered models at more modest price points. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best circular saws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best circular saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go to over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18 volts Circular Saw Kit. Milwaukee is a brand you run into often on construction sites. As one builder told us, you can tell when you have a Milwaukee tool in your hands by its weight, sturdy feel, ergonomics and power. Testers who handled this 7-1/4 circular saw from the brand's M18 Fuel line surely got that Milwaukee vibe. It's more expensive than most on our list, but its cutting performance was exceptional and plenty versatile, thanks to the saw's 2-5/8 cut capacity. When used with the 12.0Ah battery pack sold separately, the saw can deliver up to 700 cuts, says Milwaukee. It has all the safety features we look for, including an electric brake to stop the blade after the trigger is released and an integrated LED light for added visibility. Number 2. Works Cordless Compact Circular Saw. Coming in at 3.8 pounds. This compact circular saw from Works is perfect for users who might succumb to arm fatigue with saws weighing 2 or 3 times as much. Between its compact design and 20-volt motor, this Works offers a great balance of convenience and power, especially for first-time circular saw users, said one of our expert testers. The 4.5-inch blade is smaller than traditional circular saws, which allows it to spin faster. The downside is it can only cut through 2-inch thick lumber. If you need more depth than that, this compact circular saw isn't the tool for the job. Number 3. Skil 15-amp Circular Saw. The pros at Popular Mechanics call this circular saw one of the best power tool deals out there. Skil is the DIY spin-off of Skilsaw, a popular brand targeted mainly at professionals. Even though Skil saws are very competitively priced, they retain many features of their beefier brand mate, and that's the case with this corded model. They were also pleasantly surprised by the torque aka rotational power of the saw's 15-amp motor. Even with the blade fully submerged in lumber for rips and crosscuts, it powered through nicely, noted Berenson. Keep in mind that the cord will limit its portability. Number 4. Makita XSR01Z 36 volts Circular Saw. This Makita is the circular saw of choice with the maintenance crew at the Good Housekeeping Institute, who we often call on to fabricate platforms and other staging equipment for various product tests. Makita is popular with pros across many trades, and our engineers know it as a trusted power tool brand with a time-tested reputation. Our maintenance team likes the rear handle design of the XSR01Z, which makes it handle more like a worm drive saw with the motor behind the blade, instead of to the side, even though it technically isn't. That's getting into the weeds of the tool design, but all you need to know is that the Makita offers a superb combination of power and control, though, at 12.4 pounds, it's a lot of tool to push, pull and carry. Through dozens of hours of use at our facility, it's also proven to be an extremely durable saw, thanks in part to its brushless motor technology. The saw uses two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries for exceptional power and runtime. Number 5. DeWalt Atomic 20 volts Max Circular Saw. While you wouldn't want to build a deck with one, many circular saws are perfect for cutting thin materials, like wood paneling. DeWalt is a trusted brand with our experts, and the Atomic is a crowd favorite on Amazon, with 7,000+ reviews averaging 4.8 stars. The battery-run saw packs plenty of power into its compact housing. Its inline motor and lightweight design combine for exceptional control, even with one-hand cutting. The Mini has many features our experts look for, including an electronic safety brake that stops the blade quickly and safely, plus a brushless motor for added durability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.